Hello everyone. Let's begin by asking you a simple question. Have you ever wanted to learn English but didn't know where to start? You search on YouTube, you search on Google, you download an app, you open a grammar book, but after 2 days you feel confused. You think there's so much to learn. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. Where should I begin? I've been there. Many people have been there. The truth is, starting is the hardest part. But today, I'm going to make it simple. I'm going to show you how you can start learning English from zero with confidence, clarity, and consistency. Before we talk about books, videos, or grammar rules, let's talk about something more important, your mind. Many people feel nervous or shy when they start learning English. They think things like, my English is bad. I'm too old to learn new language. Or if people laugh at me. But here's the truth. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave. Think about how babies learn. When a baby starts learning to speak, do they know grammar rules? Do they say everything correctly? No. They just say whatever they can. They copy words. Sometimes they say funny or wrong things, but nobody laughs at them. Everybody cheers and claps because they are learning. That's how you should learn too. And let's take an example. And let's see, imagine someone named Ravi. He is 35 years old. He works in shop and wants to learn English to talk to customer better. But he's scared. He thinks, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh? One day, a customer says, good morning. And Ravi replies, good morning. He feels shy, but he tried. That's a great start. The next day, he learns how to say, how can I help you? And uses it. He keeps trying, slowly he gets better, his confidence grows. And that's it. That's how learning works. You try, you make mistakes, and you grow. So what should you do? Stop thinking my English is bad. Stop thinking I'm not perfect. Start thinking I'm learning and I'm improving every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Be proud of yourself. Not everyone has courage to learn something new. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave. That's how every successful English speakers begin. By changing their mindset. And you can do that too. Before you speak, you must listen. Think about how children learn a language. They don't read or write first. First they listen a lot. So if you're a beginner, your journey begins with listening to English every day. Here's how. Watch English cartoons or simple shows in English. Start with subtitles. Listen to English songs or podcasts with slow speech. Repeat what you hear. Copy the accent. Copy the tone. Let's say you watch Dora the Explorer or Mickey Mouse. These shows use simple words and slow speech. Even 10 minutes a day will help your ears to get used to English. Over time, your brain starts remembering sounds and meaning, even if you don't study anything. Many beginners make this mistake. They open dictionary and try to memorize thousands words. That doesn't work, right? Instead, focus on most common words used in daily life. Start with simple things like greetings, hello, how are you? Actions, eat, go, come, sit. Everyday objects, chair, phone, table, water, etc. Also learn some daily phrases like, can you help me? What is your name? I don't understand. Can you say that again? For example, you go to a shop and the shopkeeper says, can I help you? If you've heard this phrase before in the video, you'll understand it. And maybe next time you'll reply, yes, I'm looking for a shirt. Many people say, I speak English after I learn grammar. That's wrong. Speaking is skill. You learn by doing it, not by waiting. So how do you start? Talk about yourself in English. Say things like, I'm brushing my teeth or I'm going to work. Record your voice. Say a few sentences daily and listen to yourself. Speak with friends or join free English speaking groups online. Even saying one sentence a day, like today is a sunny day, builds confidence. The more you speak, the better you get. Many learners are scared of grammar, but guess what? You don't need to know all the rules to speak basic English. Learn grammar slowly and only when you need it. Start with just simple present, I eat breakfast. Present continuous, I'm eating. Simple past, I went to school. If someone asks, what are you doing? You don't need to know what present continuous means. Just say, I'm watching TV. That's enough. Don't study English for 2 hours one day and then forget it for a week. Instead, use English every day in small ways. Change your phone language to English. Read science, level, and ads in English. Try writing a diary, just 2 lines a day. For example, you can write, Today I went to market, I brought vegetables. That's real practice, right? Make English part of your lifestyle, not just a subject you study. Some days you feel tired, some days you feel like quitting. That's normal. But remember, fluency is not about speed, it's not about quitting, it's not about how you do it, it's about not giving up. Even 15 minutes a day is enough if you do it every day. It's like watering a plant. Water a little every day and it will grow. Ignore it for weeks and it will die. So today, I ask you to take first step. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Open a simple video. Learn 3 new words. Speak one sentence. That's how you begin, right? Don't wait for confidence to come. Start now and confidence will follow. Because you don't need to be great to start, but you do need to start to become great. Thank you.